Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a flower. This is one of many in the flower drawing series where I go over how to draw a flower in a relatively realistic way. Today we're going to go over how to draw the Pansy, is that it is? I think it's called Pansy flower. And I don't know why I couldn't pronounce it, but really beautiful flower. And I'm going to go through how to draw it completely step by step. So if you love flowers and you're a beginner, and let's just say you never draw, you will absolutely be able to draw this with me. So let's hop right into the video lesson, okay? All right, let's get into this flower and how to draw the pansy, right? So first thing I'm going to start with the center. It's going to be a small little circle there, just like a ball. Curve around the top of that. And you have a leaf around the bottom here as well. Then what we're going to do from here, how simple it is, we're going to pull a line outward for one leaf, outward over here for the other side of the leaf, the petal, and I'm going to go boom, 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 boom. Little bumps across it, which make it seem a lot better. I'm going to go over here, out. I'm going to go on this side, same thing. I'm going to form these small bumps. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw flowers or anything like that, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw this like step by step the way we do it here, everything's for beginners on here. Absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. All right, it says, but yeah, that's pretty much it. If my stuff here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. Curve over here. Go over here on this side, up. Boom, boom. Same thing with that leaf, and you kind of have like these three spread out flowers like so. It kind of gives it that cool shape. If you do want to see the flower drawing playlist, absolutely go check that out. That is in the description. It's gonna be that playlist for flower drawings. And so we're gonna add another petal back here to kind of add to the whole thing. Boom, 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 boom. Over here. Boom, 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 boom. So you have those in the back there. Line down here, line down here for some actual leaves kind of hanging off that, and it kind of gives it a lot more of a lot more character when you add different stuff to it. Ooh, one thing I forgot before we do that is there is a color change here in the center, and I'm gonna do that with this marker. I'm gonna make it a thinner stroke, which is very important. Don't forget, hit the like if you like learning how to draw this stuff. But we're gonna go in here and zigzagging in here, go over here on this side, zigzagging in there, go over here, zigzag, thin zigzags, because this is gonna, what this is gonna do is gonna signify a color change. Not so much anything more than that. And for color, you want that to be a secondary detail, and that's why what I'm doing there is I'm making it thin like that change. Okay, let's go over here, and that's the center of the leaf. And now what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna go over here, boom, boom, boom. This is our actual like leaf coming off the stem sort of thing. Right here, same exact thing. Gonna go over here to the bottom. Curve here for the stem. The stem is relatively thin, right? Relatively thin. Pulling down. Same thing on this side. All right. Gonna go over here on this side. Line for the other part of that leaf as it's hanging down. Then we're going over here on this side. Boom, 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 boom. And that's mostly it. This is kind of the way, one way to design it. Like I said, the pansy has this kind of cool look to it. I think it's going to be called Pansy, I think. Pansy. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this as far as the line art goes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push into the color, but that's going to be a speed drawing session. But it's relatively easy. But let me know if you enjoyed it. Very quick lesson. Like I said, don't forget, hit the subscribe. And what I want you to do, if you do like the video, if you do want to support the channel, you actually want to support the channel, share the video. That does so much for the channel. Share it or hit that like, either one. Or like I said, you can share it to a friend, or you can share it to Twitter or Reddit or anything like that. It has a huge effect on the channel that you have no idea. And I'll know it because I can actually check kind of like how things change when that happens. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. And I'll talk to you very soon. It's been a pleasure. So let's just go into the speed drawing of the color I'm about to do. So check it out and stick around for the announcement after that.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.